Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the Ulta Beauty Collection X Marvel's Avengers lip gloss in the particular shade Electrifying. Now, this is described as a neutral pink shimmer, but in my opinion, it definitely looks very deeper in pink shade wise, and it's almost a red tone, but it still has that shimmer, and it's not as peachy as what it looks like online, but it ended up working out for my skin tone, my medium to tan olive skin tone. So here's a swatch. It's definitely very opaque. It's very glossy. You get the flat doe foot applicator that's very flexible and easy to work with. And now that I think about it, I would describe this shade as a deep kind of strawberry pink shade. And it definitely doesn't look that way online. It's more of a peachier look, but again, it worked out for my skin tone. And I have no lip injections or any work done on my lips, so this is what it looks like on natural lips. And it's very comfortable, it's very glossy. Right now there's a sale for buy two, get one free, so if you want to try this shade out, go ahead. And also I wanted to mention that it is in collaboration with Marvel in celebration of the release of Marvel Studios' Avengers Endgame in theaters April 26th, which I'm totally going to watch. But I'll probably be uploading this on the 26th, so hope you enjoyed that. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Check out my other playlists and lip swatches and all that. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye, guys.